Hey guys, so let's get started on IDEs. So what does IDE stand for? It actually stands for Integrated Development Environment, which is basically a place where you write your code and run your code. It might also help you with syntax error and autocomplete too. So two of the IDEs that I would recommend to beginners is called VS Code, Visual Studio Code, or JetBrains PyCharm. They're both really great IDEs, but they're a little different. The VS Code is a text editor with a bunch of features that you can download that doesn't come pre-installed. You have to set it up a little bit. PyCharm, well, on the other hand, it comes fully functional, right? It comes with everything you might need for professional development. So how would you download them? You can just go to the respective link, which will be down in the description below. So for PyCharm, you will go to jetbrain.com/PyCharm. And here you'll be met with this splash page. You can then just click on the download link right here. So once you click on that download link, it should bring you to this page where it tells you to either download the community version or the professional version. The community version is free. It's free forever and you can get it whenever you want. It has all the features that you might need to run a Python file and to write your Python code itself. So the professional version comes with a little bit more features for professional development like memory management and or other language support. If you are a student with a .edu account, you can sign up for the student package and it should give you access to the professional version. For VS Code, it's just free. You would need to download the Python plugin to be able to run your Python code itself. But there is also one more IDE that I didn't mention yet, which is IDLE. It comes with Python when you install it, and you can get access to it by going down to your search bar and typing down IDLE, IDLE. If you click enter, it should open up IDLE right here, which you can then run your code on it, right? But this isn't really helpful. It's just basically a text editor where you can write your code. We want something that can help us write our code. And now let's go down to VS Code first.